Mortuary mixology. 7 sinfully seductive cocktails that are to die for. A medical examiner's secret bar menu. 1. The formaldehyde fizz. Pearlescent gin base. Dry ice smoke effect. Garnished with preserved botanicals. Served in specimen jar. 2. Rigor mortis martini. Blue tinted vodka. Frozen nerve endings garnish. Numbing sensation. 3. Final examination. Black rum base. Anatomical hard ice mold. Bleeding effect when poured. 4. Post-mortem punch. Color-changing liquid. Surgical tool-shaped ice. Fog-topped presentation. 5. The coroner's coffee. Espresso liqueur. Bone-white foam. Served in test tube rack. 6. Morgue mist. Nitrogen-chilled spirits. Ghostly vapor effect. Glowing garnish. 7. Y incision. 3-layered pour. Surgical precision required. Served with steel instruments. Note: theatrical cocktail concepts for entertainment. Please drink responsibly.